food restaurant, Chennai Express. Authentic Indian restaurant. South Indian food and North Indian food. So, titikman natin ngayon. Ito, ano nga to? Parang beef, ano siya? Ano tawag dito?
Ito yung beef, yung...
Chicken, ito chicken.
Kadai chicken.
Kadai chicken and mukha naman siyang masarap. So, tikman muna natin itong kadai chicken. Medyo mild, ano siya, hindi siya yung kasing may nalalasahan akong beans. Masarap siya. Next is mutton biryani. Para siyang beef. Ewan ko kung anong part siya ng beef. Pero ano siya, medyo brisky na parang hindi naman. Medyo ano, maganda yung cut niya. Buo yung beef niya. And medyo malambot na. Malambot siya. Ayan. Iba siya sa nalalasahan ko sa Indian food sa Pilipinas. Siguro dahil sa ano, sa ingredients. Pero hindi siya ganun katapang dahil sa yung ng Indian food sa Pilipinas. Tignan natin yung rice. Biryani. Yung rice lang niya, hindi siya ganun ka... Siguro local rice to ng Thailand, pero masarap yung ano niya. Medyo maanghang na siya. Nag-i-spicy na yung aftertaste niya. Mas maanghang siya kaysa dito sa chicken. So next is itong parang ano to eh, may onion leaves pa. What do you call this?
Garlic naan.
Garlic na.
It's garlic naan.
It's made of garlic and
What's this? What's meat?
Is flour.
Flour and
Yeah,
onion leaves.
Yes, it's garlic and some coriander put and then after it's Indian tandoori dish. Making it inside and tandoori.
Okay.
Okay, so ito siya yung ano niya. They eat this like this. You like this?
Yeah.
You will get part of the chicken and
With the sauce.
the sauce, just like that. Parang style burrito pero ididip mo siya na pang kukuha mo ng pang spoon mo yung ito and then lalagay mo sa loob yung chicken. Sarap.
Masarap is
Delicious.
delicious. Aloy, masarap.
Masala drink.
Masarap. It's delicious.
Masarap. In Philippines.
Masarap. Masarap.
Kadai masala. Kadai chicken masala.
Kadai chicken. Kadai chicken masala.
Masarap.
He said it's delicious.
Restaurant butter chicken and it's butter chicken come in with boneless, but kadai chicken this is with bone. Chicken with
Okay.
It's kadai chicken, and
Kadai
then
chicken.
capsicum and onion and with tomato input and then grilled with some sausage making it.
And this one is yogurt.
Yogurt for
Pero pwede mo rin idip yung
sa ano siya? Sa
Sa
mutton
yogurt.
rice siya. In mutton
Pwede rin yun, di ba?
mutton rice, right? The curry? No, here.
Is
With for the rice.
yeah, is the rice and
Pero sabi
Eh,
mutton
sabi ni
biryani.
Kuya, itong yogurt daw, hinahalo daw talaga nila dito sa sa mutton biryani. Siguro para ma-suppress niya yung lasa nung spicy. Pero sige, titikman natin. Okay. Ito, medyo maliit. Ito na. Ayun. So, medyo maasim yung yogurt. Tapos mas spicy yung biryani rice. Kaya, good combination naman. Masarap siya. Try nyo rin mag-Indian food next time. Pero dito sa Thailand, ito yung first Indian food ko dito. Sa may... Ito nga, China Express Indian food. Try nyo.
Drink now hot is cold this time.
Oh, yeah. Sige.
It seems like China.
Yeah, it's same Indian
Okay.
chai.
Okay.
But drink hot is good.
Yeah.
It's cool not good. We talk about it very replacement.
Okay.
It's okay. Hindi kasi nag-aalala siya naka-video eh.
Ito naman, masala tea. Subukan natin. Same siya ng taste with the Chayan tea. Chayan Thai. Pero different version or tawag. Kasi nga, language, translation. Pero same siya ng taste. Masarap siya either hot or cold. Masarap siya. Di ko alam, pero mas masarap siya kaysa sa milk tea. Milk tea na malamig or ano. Mas okay siya ng tea lang, ng without any more milk or boba or any jelly or additives na ano or sweetener. Mas masarap siya ng hindi ganun katamis. Chayen.
Makasalanang tea.
In Philippines, we eat Indian food also, but we comparing the taste in Indian food in Philippines, Indian food here in Thailand. They say authentic in Philippines because Indian cook. Thailand, Indian food, Indian cook.
Yes, some different.
Yeah, a little difference. Maybe on the...
Singapore, Malaysia. I try Indian food, Singapore, Malaysia.
Maybe the
Here,
ingredients.
it's okay, but also cheaper.
Different ingredients is one dishes. Some is safe, personal recipe and everything in sauces.
Philippines more spicy.
Yeah.
More spicy Indian
But
food.
this is okay.
But this one
For
is
the price,
okay.
for the price is okay because in Singapore, Malaysia, I always order mutton biryani. It's really expensive. Or maybe because the currency is expensive. Yeah, but it's good. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr.
Bipin.
Okay. You manager here?
Some eyes problem then I use Google and otherwise outside.
It's okay, it's okay.
Nag-take away din kami nitong plain curd yogurt. Ayan siya. Maganda siya for digestion para mawala yung mga bad bacteria. So, we need good bacteria. At pati itong garlic naan. Yan. Kasi may natira pa kaming yung chicken.